Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit images on Canva. So select your image and add it to the canvas. I'm just going to leave it like that. To edit the image, select the image and select edit photo, and here you can add in filters, you can add in blurs, you can add in autofocus and stuff. So this one's the autofocus one. You're just going to select it and you can adjust by using this slider button right here. But you can also use other effects, I guess, since some of them won't work. Like on edit photos, it doesn't really show that much. But I'm just going to try to use other features. Like there's this blur one and there's also the shadow one, but it is better if you use the PNG if you want to add in that effect. But that's basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.